So we have here another power rule that is we call power of a product. If x and y are real numbers and m and n are positive integers, then the quantity of x times y raised to the power of m is equal to x to the power of m times y to the power of m. So as you observe here, m is distributed to each variable here. The first is x, so we have m times 1, that is m. Then y, m times 1, that is equal to m. So the quantity of x, y raised to the power of m is equal to x to the power of m times y to the power of m. We cannot add the exponent here because the two bases are not the same. Okay, so let us have an example. Okay, example number 1, the quantity of m times n raised to the power of 6. So just following the rule, copy m. 6 is distributed to each variable here. 6 times 1, we have 6. Then copy n. 6 times 1 is equal to 6 also. So that is our final answer. M to the power of 6, n to the power of 6. Okay, let us have an example number 2. The quantity of 3x raised to the power of 5. So again, following the rule, distribute 5 to each term here. We have 5 times 1, that is equal to 5. Then times copy x. 5 times 1 is also equal to 5. And 3 raised to the power of 5 can be simplified. That is equal to 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Then copy x to the power of 5 because 3 to the power of 5 can be simplified. So that is, we multiply 3 5 times because the exponent is 5. So 3 times 3, that is 9. 9 times 3, that is 27. 27 times 3 times 3. The result is 243. So this is equal to 243 x to the power of 5. So that is our final answer. Okay, example number 3. Quantity of a times b times c raised to the power of 4. Okay, following the rule, distribute 4 to each term. So a to the power of 4, b to the power of 4, c to the power of 4. So we multiply each exponent in this term to 4. So 1 times 4 is 4 for b. 1 times 4 is 4 for c. 1 times 4, that's equal to 4. And that is our final answer because this cannot be simplified. That is our simplified form. Okay, example number 4. The quantity of negative 2p raised to the power of 6. So copy negative 2, distribute 6. 6 times 1, that is equal to 6. Times p. 6 times 1, that is equal to 6. Then negative 2 to the power of 6, that is equal to negative 2 times 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 p to the power of 6. Okay? So we multiply negative 2 6 times because the exponent is 6. So multiply this negative 2 times 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 negative 2. The result is positive 64 p to the power of 6. So this is our final answer. 64 p to the power of 6. Example number 5. The quantity of y cubed times z to the power of 5 raised to the power of 2. So, following the rules, copy y, then multiply 2 times 3. That is equal to 6 times z. Multiply 2 times 5. The result is 10. Okay, so do not forget multiplication is the process when we multiply exponent to exponent. Okay, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 5 is... So, the process here is multiplication in this kind of expression. So we have, yes, this is our answer. Y to the power of 6, z to the power of 10. You can cancel out this dot. That means multiplication. So, and this also means y times z. So y to the power of 6 is y to the power of 6 times z to the power of 10. So that is our final answer. So that is our product, or that is our power rule.